If you're thinking about buying a house in Port Harcourt, especially if it's your very first time, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step exactly how you can buy a house in Port Harcourt in 2026, even if you're just starting from scratch. My name is Justin Nadi. I'm a realtor based here in Port Harcourt, and I help Nigerians abroad buy land and houses safely in Port Harcourt, especially the ones that make them money and increases their wealth over time. Now let's get right into the video for the day. This is exactly how you can buy a house in Port Harcourt in 2026. The first step is to determine why you are buying. This is very important because it guides every other thing that will lead to you getting your dream home in Port Harcourt. Why are you buying? Are you buying for personal residence? Are you buying for rental income? Are you buying for short lets? Are you buying to resell? You need to determine exactly why you are buying this house before you get to the next step. Step 2 is to determine your budget. When you buy a house, that is not the only thing you pay for. You pay legal fees, you pay agency fee. Sometimes when you buy off-plan projects or carcass houses, you also have to do the internal work. You need to put the cost of all of this into consideration when determining your budget. The third step is to choose your location. Now, when choosing your location, you have to put into consideration what is important to you. That would determine the kind of location we look at when choosing where to own this home. Do you want somewhere that is very secured, or is it the places that are close to work or schools for you or for your family? Or do you want to be in a place that is majorly lifestyle because you want to enjoy the city you are in? Now, in choosing the location, you determine the best places to buy depending on why you are buying. That is what you want to achieve in the market. Say for instance, you are someone that is coming into the market and you are buying this home specifically for rental income. You are going to be looking at the places that have very high rental demand and high rental value for properties. These are the things you put into consideration. Now, when you determine that, you will need a real estate consultant to now point you to the location and also the building that checks your boxes as far as getting this home is concerned. Now, if you don't have any realtor, you don't know anyone to go to, we are here for you to help you, to guide you through getting your first home or your next home in Port Harcourt. You can reach out to us through the number on your screen. The next step is to inspect the property. You have decided what you want, you know your budget, you already know the right locations you want to invest in, and you have seen the options in these locations that tick your boxes. The next thing you want to do is to inspect this property properly. Don't buy blindly. Go to the place, whether it is through virtual inspection or through a representative. These are the two ways you can inspect, especially if you are not living in Nigeria or if you are not in the States. Also want to inspect the structural integrity of the house, because a house can be good on the outside, but then when you enter inside the house, you see that this one has fault. So it is important to check all this on time before you even put ₦1 on ground for the house you want to buy. Now, after you have inspected the house, what next? We go to due diligence. Verifying everything. This is very important because it's going to save you from a whole lot of stress. It's going to save you from being scammed. It's going to save you from buying in a place that will bring issues or demolitions from government in the future. That is why it's important to take this particular step seriously. You want to verify for the ownership of the property to make sure you are buying from the right people, and also check the survey, the documents this property comes with, because it's your hard-earned money going into the purchase of this house. Do your due diligence, and if everything is in place, then you can go ahead and pay for the house. Now, in this case, you don't even need to have all the money all together before you can own a house in Port Harcourt. There is something called payment plan that allows you own a house without having all the bulk money. You have seen this property, you know you can afford it on the long run, like 6 months, 1 year. You can easily pay for this house without stress. There is something called payment plan that allows you pay for the house. Now, there are different ways this payment plan works, especially here in Port Harcourt. So it depends on the particular property you are buying, who you are buying from, and when you are buying this property. The payment plan options are outright payments, where you pay everything all at once, and there is something called installment payment, where you make a deposit, 20% deposit, 25% deposit. Then you spread your balance within 6 months, 12 months, 18 months. Then there is another payment plan option, which is the construction stage payment, where you pay based on the stage of construction. Now, this is important, especially if you are buying an off-plan project, so that when you are paying for the house, you are seeing the stages of construction rising and you are seeing what you are paying for. So this is one beautiful way to pay for an off-plan project without risking all your money at once, and also making sure that the project you are putting this money in is being delivered. Now, after payment, what next? You collect your documentations, the receipt of payment, your allocation letter or allocation document for the house, your deed of assignment, the survey of the house, and the purchase agreement. Every document that transfers the ownership of this house to you. This way, you are now legally the owner of the house. And then the final step is now where they hand over the keys of the house to you. And at this point, you are proudly a homeowner in Port Harcourt. Congratulations, you now own a home. You have everything in place. See how easy it is to own a home, even when it is your first time owning a home in Port Harcourt. I hope it was very clear how you can do this step by step. If it was, give this video a thumbs up and also share with someone thinking about owning a home in Nigeria. This video is going to be very beneficial to them. You can also go ahead and save this video so that you can come back to it, watch it again, especially when you are planning to buy your own home. Now, if you are looking to buy a home in Port Harcourt and you don't know where to start, you can reach out to me through the numbers showing on your screen, and I'll be very glad to guide you and help you secure or own your first or next home in Port Harcourt. Until I come your way again, enjoy a fantastic day, and I look forward to talking with you soon. I will see ya.